Today our topic is adverb phrase. It is very important topic. Definition is when a word qualifies an adjective and verb or another adverb, it is called adverb. When this job is done by a group of words without having its subject and predicate, it is called an adverb phrase, as with great speed, in a hurried manner, at this moment, in no time, before long. Adverb phrase: Ali ran with great speed. He did it in a hurried manner. He reached here in no time. He is busy at this moment. I shall be with you before long. He answered me in a rude manner. Ali ran speedily. He did it hurriedly. He is busy now. He reached here soon. I shall be with you soon. He answered me rudely. You can buy these candles everywhere. These examples are phrases. Adverb, adverb phrase, adverb, adverb phrase. Hastily, in a hasty manner, rarely, beautifully, consequently,